치즈가 늘어나는지 한번.
Miku-chan, we should do one of these mukbang videos. What's that? Korean McDonald's? No, it's where you eat way too much food on camera for entertainment. Oh, so basically what you do every meal. No, Miku-chan, that's nothing. Well, I'm not a very big eater, but I know someone who might be your match. I doubt it very much. Okay, let me give her a call. Hi, it's me. Are you busy? Well, I was just talking to Mirai, and she said that she could eat way more than you can. That's what I told her. Alright, so you come over, and we will settle this. Mirai-chan, you get the camera set up in the dining room, okay? I have some cooking to do. Aren't we going to order in? Are you paying? No. There is your answer. Now move it. Hello dolls of the internet. Welcome to our mukbang video. Today we have a new friend joining us. Here she is. Hi, my name is Infinity. I'm top of my class, the student council president, the captain of the volleyball and swimming team. I love eating and I'm here to defeat Mirai at mukbang, whatever that is. Wait. First off, I did not issue a challenge, and secondly, this is not a competition. Everything is competition and I'm here to win. Oh, bring it on. Miku-chan, what are we eating? Pancakes. And milk if you need it. Yes, Mirai, you don't want to choke. Put your food where your mouth is. You two are so made for each other. But you guys need to answer questions while you're eating. First question. What is so smart about smart dolls? I can count 1 to 5. 1 to 5? 1, 2, 5. Really? You got the extra hands? Lucky. Next question. What is the meanest comment you ever got on YouTube? I haven't been here long, so I haven't gotten any mean comments yet. Oh, someone commented I look stupid in this picture. Really? That's so mean. You look adorable, Mirai-chan. Yeah, you kinda look like me in that picture, so you're absolutely gorgeous. Oh, thank you guys. You're welcome. Next question. How old is too old to play with dolls? You're never too old to play with dolls. I know, right? Our neighbor Barbie is over 50 years old, and she still plays with lots of dolls. Next question. Do you think dolls are creepy? It depends on the doll, really. I know, look at Chucky. That doll needs an anger management class. Here's another question. What would you do if you met someone who has a doll phobia? Nothing. Anything I do will just make it worse. I will start singing like la 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 la. Ah! You're so naughty. I know, because you're too serious. Our next question is from Gamers Wawa. Are you siblings? If yes, who are the first sister? I'll answer this one while you guys eat some more. Mirai and I are cousins, and I'm living with Mirai and her older sister Ne-chan right now because of school. And Infinity, we know her from school, and she lives in the apartment above us. But neither of us knew that because she is always out for school activities.
Hurry up and eat, Mirai-chan. I still have a student council meeting, volleyball practice, and cake tasting to go to.
Cakey, can I come?
I don't know. I don't think you're gonna have any room left. Next question, please.
From Yanis Linares. Is it okay if we send you fan mail? Yes, we each have our own email address. They are on your screen right now, or you can visit Ne-chan's blog, and all the addresses are there. The link is in the description.
For me too.
It's almost like Ne-chan knows what we are going to do before we do it.
Cool. Send me love letters.
Next question is from Celestial Tigress. Will you guys show us a scene in where you study in school?
No, it's against school rules to film at school.
Come on, Infinity-chan. You're student council president. We'll let you be in the video.
I will think about it when you bring your grades up to a B average at least.
I guess we're never going to do a school video.
Next question is from the girl who loves to draw. How old are they? I'm 15. I'm also 15.
Don't you know it's a crime to ask a lady's age? Come on, your secret is safe with us. How old are you? Fine, I'm 16. You know we are live on the internet right now, right? Ah! Delete that footage right now! No, too late. They already know. From Akira Smith. Will they ever get a boyfriend each? Or does Nechan say no? Nechan said I shouldn't get a boyfriend right now because it will distract me from school. But she didn't say no. Really? She said I'm safe from boys and I have nothing to worry about. Oh my god, manners! I will only date a boy if he can defeat me on the field of battle. Whew, that was intense. From anime_4_live. Out of the three of you all, which one is the most silly and messy? It's Mirai-chan.
Undisputed. No way.
Next question is from Carolina Sanchez. Will they ever get a brother? Nechan said maybe when she can afford it, whatever that means.
I want a cute brother, a younger one, so I can pick on him. No thanks. I already have an older brother. He sucks.
From Rui Niyomi. What is each one's favorite furniture you have made? I love the vanity table. I like to brush my hair in front of it every night.
I like the bed the best.
I like them both. Nechan is so talented and so nice. You know it. Our last question is from Nicole May Hay. Miku, do you have a talent to cook food like Sakura? I think I cook pretty well. Mirai-chan eats everything I cook.
Thanks, Miku-chan. So, that's all the time we have. Let's see who ate the most pancakes. Mirai, you ate 72 pancakes. Infinity ate 73.
Wait. She hasn't swallowed the last one yet. She's still chewing it. No, I'm not. Let me see under your tongue.
While they're fighting, I'll wrap this up. Thank you everyone for your questions. We hope you enjoyed our mukbang. Please like our video and subscribe. Visit our playlist for more videos. See you next time.